Hi, I'm Colette, Robicheau Professional Organizer. I'm here today to tell you some organizing tips for your small space. Many of my clients have recently downsized from a larger home to an apartment or a condo, and they don't have a place to dry their clothes. So I want to show you the 3-tier over-the-door dryer from Neatfreak. And this dryer also is great for towels, but you can use the shelves for drying some of your delicates or anything that you need to dry flat. It has over 20 linear feet of drying surface, and know that most of the time behind the closet is really found space. So when you have something like this on a bathroom door, on a bedroom door, you really can find a lot of space in your home. For tips like this and others, visit neatfreak.com.